Today, we're going off the beaten path to the Reykjanes Peninsula. Volcanoes, black beaches, boiling mud pools, and even a bridge between continents, all in one day. Just 45 minutes from Reykjavik and right next to Keflavik Airport, Reykjanes is the perfect day trip. You'll see geothermal fields, volcanic lakes, and some of Iceland's wildest coastal scenery. Our first stop, Kleifarvatn Lake, feels like stepping into another planet. It's Iceland's largest lake on the Reykjanes Peninsula and one of the country's deepest, sitting right on top of an active fault line. The landscape here is stark. No trees, no signs of life, just volcanic hills and silence. Just down the road from Kleifarvatn is Krýsuvík, where the earth literally breathes. Boiling mud pots, steaming vents, and rainbow-colored hills. It feels like Iceland's version of Mars. The smell of sulfur, that's just the scent of adventure. The ground here is constantly shifting, shaped by the mid-Atlantic ridge pulling the island apart. And it's one of the few places where you can see geology happening in real time. Totally worth a stop. Right nearby is Graenavatn, a small crater lake glowing emerald green. The color comes from minerals reacting to sunlight. And just when we thought Iceland couldn't surprise us anymore, we found Festarfjall beach, and honestly, wow. A sheer volcanic cliff drops straight into the Atlantic, and below it, this strip of wild black sand, untouched, dramatic, and completely unmarked on most itineraries. Standing here with the ocean roaring and the wind howling, you realize this is what makes Iceland so special. It never runs out of ways to leave you speechless. This whole peninsula is alive, literally. The Reykjanes Volcanic Zone sits right where the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates meet. The most recent eruption here happened in 2025, and you can still hike across fresh lava flows. It's about a 1.5 hour hike from the nearest parking area to reach the main viewing point. But even from the road, you can feel the power of Iceland's ever-changing landscape. Now, we're at Gunnuhver, Iceland's largest mud pool, named after a ghost called Gunna. Legend says her spirit was trapped here centuries ago, and you can still hear her in the steam. Creepy, but epic. Meet Reykjanes Lighthouse, Iceland's oldest lighthouse, first built in 1878. But the ocean wasn't having it. It almost washed it away. So in 1908, they rebuilt it stronger, taller, and smarter. Today, it's been guiding ships safely for over a century, standing proud at 31 meters, with its light shining 73 meters above the waves. And it's not just history, the views, absolutely epic. Volcanic cliffs, endless ocean, and sunsets that look straight out of a dream. Reykjanes Lighthouse isn't just a building, it's a story, a view, an adventure. After visiting the iconic lighthouse, take a moment to feel the heartbeat of Iceland at Valahnúkamöl. It is one of the most dramatic coastlines in the country, where the ocean crashes, the wind howls, and every step feels alive. Walking along these cliffs, you're on the edge of the earth. It's windy, it's untamed, and it's utterly unforgettable. This isn't just a view, it's an experience, a place that leaves your heart racing and your camera full of epic shots. From the wild cliffs of Valahnúkamöl, our adventure takes us to a place where continents meet. Welcome to the bridge between continents, a symbolic footbridge spanning the divide between Europe and North America. Here, you can literally walk from one continent to another in seconds. It's the perfect final stop, from historic lighthouses to wild coasts, ending with a step across the edge of the world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to our channel for more Iceland travel tips.